We'll guide you through how to make account location not show on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make your account location not show on X, start by opening your browser so the page can load. Wait for a moment until everything is ready and the browser is fully open. Once it is loaded, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click the search bar and type X into it. Then press Enter so the search results can appear. When the search results show up, look for the first web page that appears on the list. Left-click it so the site can open in your browser. When the site loads, log into your account if you have not already. After you are inside the main page of X, look at the left side of the screen and find the option labeled More. Left-click the More option so a small menu will appear. Inside this menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option and left-click it so you can open the Settings section. When the Settings page opens, you will see different menus listed on the left side. Look for the menu labeled Privacy and Safety. Once you find it, left-click to open it. Inside the Privacy and Safety section, find the menu called About Your Account. When you see it, left-click the menu so the page can open and show more options. In this part of the settings, you will see a section related to location settings. Find the option that says Use Region or Continent. Select this option so your account will show only a broad region instead of your exact location. This helps keep your location more private and stops the site from sharing specific details about where you are. After turning on the Use Region or Continent option, let the page update for a moment. When it is done, go back to your profile to check the result. To do this, look at the left side of the screen again, find your profile, and left-click it to open your page. Once the profile page loads, look at the area where your location usually appears and see if the information has changed. It should now show a wider region instead of a detailed location.